Blair's nursery in West Mobile, and Blair was showing me all the various types of ornamental cabbage that they have, and I've never seen most of these, so I wanted to introduce them to you today. It's super windy out today. So I wanted to show you the variation in the foliage and also in the color of the bloom. All of these bloom. They're not edible, despite what Cecilia was hoping. She was hoping she could eat them, but she can't. These are ornamental. This one is called Nagoya Rose, and it blooms a pink. This one is Osaka pink, but you can see how much more ruffly these leaves are than these. This is a little more open and a little more flat. Then here we have the Nagoya white. This one's got very, what are we gonna call this, ruffly leaves?
Yes.
Ruffly leaves, and it blooms white. And then here you have the peacock red, and this has a very different looking texture to the leaf here. It almost looks like a Dusty Miller or something. And so what I think is so cool about all of these is that you can plant them a bunch of, one variety, or you can mix these together in one composition or one container and really get varied textures and heights just within this exact same type of plant. Are you freezing? Well, this is the perfect time to plant these because these are great for the cold winter temperatures. These will last all the way through the winter. They are an annual, so when the spring comes, it starts to get a little warmer. You'll pop these out of the ground and you'll add in your impatiens or your vinca, which is my favorite springtime, but these are the winter time. So you guys get out there and explore the different various textures because they've come a long way. When I was a kid, I think there was one variety available, and now there's so many more. So check them out when you get a chance. What was your face doing the whole time? You might not be able to be on camera if you're really crazy.